Hey everyone, so welcome back to Chart Pe Charcha. So this is a new series that we have started where we are trying to share with you an educational content जहाँ पे हम आपको price action और index की moves को intraday में कैसे interpret करना चाहिए उसके बारे में आपके साथ share करते हैं. तो this is the chart that we exactly explained day before yesterday in our reel. आप देख सकते हो the exact moves have played out similarly to what we talked in our day before yesterday's reel. याद दिला दूं आपको, we also shared a detailed astro analysis in our last week astro analysis, and we had clearly told you that we are expecting a cool off that can happen in the indices, and that's exactly what happened. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. उससे पहले जिन लोगों ने अभी तक हमारी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हो वो जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि ऐसे ही एजुकेशनल कंटेंट आप तक पहुंच जाए. Now let's quickly look at the charts from a daily perspective and see what we can expect in the next trading session. तो आप देख सकते हो the 20-day moving average that is plotted on the chart. This can act as a very strong support for the markets. So 24,800, 24,750. These are the levels that you need to watch out for. कल अगर market gap down खुलता है तो do mark the 15 minutes candle and watch out and see what the market is doing. Do not rush into any of the trades. 15 मिनट का हाई एंड लो मार्क करिए. जिस साइड भी आपको एक मूव मिले आपको उस साइड अपनी ट्रेड्स को इनिशिएट करना चाहिए. Now let's move on to intraday and understand how to understand the intraday moves. तो जैसे आप देख सकते हो this is a 15 minutes chart. This is the entire price action of today. तो 24,900 that's the level that you need to watch out for. That's a small resistance that is there here at 24,100. So let me just go back and mark this level for you so that this is the next resistance now. Abhi ke chart ke hisab se, this is the resistance. 24,900 odd is the first resistance that the market can, market can form. And uske baad ka jo next level hai, if 24,900 is taken out, the next resistance the market has is 25,000. So watch out for these levels tomorrow. Agar hum 24,000 aaj ke low ke niche agar khulte hain tomorrow, wait for 15 minutes, mark the high and low of 15 minutes. जब तक 15 minutes का high and low breach ना करे तब तक कोई भी trade मत लीजिए. It would just be a sideways session wherein आपकी जो premiums है वो erode होने की chances है. So if you're an option buyer, basically you need premiums in the market. You need a move in the market to get your positions into profits. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's also look at Bank Nifty chart to understand what we can expect from Bank Nifty. So let's go on to the daily chart of Bank Nifty and जैसे आप देख सकते हो this is a trend line support that I've drawn in Bank Nifty. यहाँ तक आने की chances है which also happens to be the 20-day moving average. वहाँ पे you need to see where the markets can go. So mark that high and low of the 15 minutes candle tomorrow and watch out for the trades. Now let's quickly understand what are the big players doing tomorrow. So, the big players data clearly says that there is a short position that is created in the indices, especially in Nifty. Bank Nifty mein there is a mixed, position that's created. They are short in Bank Nifty futures and they have hedged it with options. But Nifty mein वैसा नहीं है. Nifty mein there is a clear-cut short that has happened. So it's very important कल का opening कहाँ होता है उसमें 15 minutes के high and low आप mark करके रखिए. उस direction में आप अपना trades plan out कर सकते हो. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this series. Do take care and trade safe. We'll try and do this more often. Next week हम कोशिश करेंगे कि रोज आपके साथ ये चार्ट पे चर्चा करें. And we would request your support. आप like, share and comment जरूर करें ताकि we are also motivated to make such content for you. See you guys. Take care and happy trading.